All right. So, what we're going to do right now is we're going to set up how to add some colors in our app. So, for those who might think there's not enough options, or if you're looking for something a little bit different within the color palettes, you can come here to the fourth page, which is called Colors. And right here, there's a button you can help to, you can click to help get started. This will help you be able to set up in combinations of up to three different lights. And so as you come here, you'll be able to see all the pre-programmed ones we've done for you. I've already added in a few of my own, so you'll see a little extra there. Now, for example, you can reset the colors so you can kind of wipe them back to factory, which is kind of the majority of the ones you already see in your app. But if you want to create some new ones, you can click the plus button here. So if you click on the plus button, what this allows you to do is be able to pick individual colors for each color palette. So let's just create a fun one. Let's do purple or pink, sorry, for one of my colors. I want this next one to be, let's do this. Let's do a yellow. This is going to be a little funky. And let's go to a green. So let's create kind of a new Easter color palette here for myself. So I'll call this, um, let's just name it Easter. Well, I guess we already have an Easter in there. So let's name it Easter 2. So this will be Adam's Fun Easter 2 version. So I'm going to click Save here. So if I scroll down, now you'll see Easter 2 as an option. And so to be able to access that color, you can go here to the Live page and scroll down until you find Color Palette. Click here and we'll activate the drop-down menu. And we'll scroll down until we find Easter. And so there's Easter 1, which is there. That's pretty cool. You'll see that happen in real time. And as I go back and click Easter 2, which has been our new color palette, boom, there you go. You're ready to go. And so then I can adjust the intensity again, watch the lights change in real time with the distance, drop it back down like this. And if I want to throw in another kind of effect there, that's pretty fun. And this allows you to be able to play with the lights and do all sorts of fun stuff with them. Now, let's say you've created a new color palette, but you'd like to make this a preset. So same kind of steps as before in the previous videos. Just go here to the preset function or preset page, sorry. You're going to click plus. You want to make sure you name it first, and you're going to click Easter or type in Easter here. I want to make sure that it's set for all my lights are default. I'm just going to scroll down till I find my color palette, and I'm going to select Easter 2. I want my intensity to be down to 0 because I really like the spacing on this. I want to make sure all my light sets are on and click Save. So as I return back here, you'll see Easter pop up. So in real-time effects here, off, Christmas, accent lighting, and our new created color palette, Easter. And there you go. That's it.